Hey everyone, so this is a card that I've been wanting to get for a while. It's a all around 2% back card on all your purchases, and recently they added a 3% back when you check out using PayPal. They have gone through quite a few iterations of this card, and I only wanted to apply for it if it had a sign-up bonus. So as of now, June 2022, it has a $100 sign-up bonus. And PayPal's kind of really quiet about this particular card. For whatever reason, they don't go advertising this card. So if you really are interested in this card, and particularly this limited time sign-up bonus, I put the link in the description so you guys can definitely jump on it. Earlier this year, actually, they also had this $100 statement credit bonus after $500 of spend, but I waited until like January 2nd or something to apply for it, and the offer by then was already gone. So it's kind of a lucrative deal. So if you're interested in this card, definitely jump on it. So to apply for this card, you do have to go through PayPal, and you do have to make a PayPal account, kind of similar to the Amazon Prime rewards card, which I also did a video on. So the nice thing about this though is that you can manage your entire credit card account using PayPal. Even though the bank that backs up this card is Synchrony Bank, you would pay your balances and redeem your cash back all directly through PayPal, which is nice since Synchrony Bank doesn't have the best reputation for customer service. And speaking of Synchrony Bank, I actually ironically got a pre-approval mail-in offer from them for, again, a very similar card. It's a 2% all-around card, except the sign-up bonus is $100 after $1,000 of spend, so a little bit worse than this PayPal card. And I was really tempted in getting this card because I was pre-approved, which means I don't have to take an extra hard inquiry to get the card. So I'm glad that this PayPal offer came through when it did. So within a few minutes of the online application, I was approved, and because it is already built into my PayPal account, I was able to actually start using it towards online purchases, and this card does earn 3% back on PayPal checkout purchases, so I was able to take advantage of that while I waited for my physical card to come in the mail. So about a week later of my approval, I received this in the mail. Originally, I thought this was just another advertisement from PayPal because I do get a good number of those, but I felt the letter and I realized that there was indeed a credit card inside. So here we go. This is now the unboxing portion that you guys have all been waiting for. So you can see that it does ship directly from PayPal from Orlando, Florida, and it's a very unassuming, really thin letter actually. And so opening it up, there was really only this thick cardstock material, and I was confused because all my other 14 other credit card unboxings that I've done in the past have all come with a lot of paperwork, and there's literally nothing else in this envelope. So I actually delayed making this video about a week just to make sure PayPal wasn't going to send me the terms and conditions in a separate letter, and they never came. So if you want to learn more about the T's and C's or the reward program details, you have to go onto the website here, or you could go back to the application website and the details are also there for you to download. But anyways, opening up this little cardstock, you can see it's very basic. On the left side, it just tells you once again the cashback earning rates, 3% back at PayPal checkout or 2% back everywhere else, unlimited, no threshold, and then the way to activate it, multiple ways you can activate the card. And on the right side, there is the card itself. And if as the name implies, it is on the Mastercard network. It features also the modern amenities of the chip, as well as contactless wireless payments with a tap to pay. Edge of the card is white, so maybe that'll help you distinguish amongst your other credit cards. So there you have it. That's the approval process and the unboxing of the PayPal Cashback Mastercard. As usual, a few months later, after I had ample time to test out this card, I will be rendering my full review, so definitely stay tuned to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you like this video, it would be really appreciated if you give it a thumbs up. Any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section down below.